either go down or up with conduit. Really don't care. So I want to run it towards the back. Current situation, which I don't like. There's space down there. We could probably run it through the bottom. Want to try to see if we could put power somewhere right here. And then right here, the concrete ends, which I could dig a trench and run it all the way down the side of the concrete towards the back, because eventually I'm probably gonna put cement on this side too. So basically want some power back there too, straight back. Then so that's one in the back, and I'm thinking might as well, if it's not that hard, maybe still put one somewhere in the middle of the house, either right by the box there or maybe right here in this little corner. Put a power source there. So technically that'll be 1, 2, 3 already, and then we would have to run one this way and just put one over this little fence, maybe right there in the corner. I could use power for the front. That's it, man. So yeah, we can either run it through the top, which I don't know, I could paint it later so it could blend in, or maybe grab some kind of piping or something that weatherproof, you know, and just run it through the bottom. I'm cool with that too. As you can see, there's this pipe here that goes there, and I think that goes inside to give power to that room, but oh well. You're the expert, bro.